It's such a beautiful day today. I'm glad we decided to come to the park.
Absolutely. It's been a while since we had a relaxing day like this.
You know, I'm starting to get a little hungry. How about you?
Me too. Do you have any ideas where we could eat?
Actually, I heard about this new restaurant that just opened a few blocks from here. It's called the Urban Bistro. I've heard great things about it.
That sounds interesting.
My friend visited there recently and mentioned that their margarita pizza and Alfredo pasta are amazing.
Yum. That sounds perfect. Let's check it out. It's always fun to try new places.
Great. It's just down this way. Let's head over there. Here we are. Looks nice, doesn't it?
It really does. Let's go in and see if we can get a table. Good afternoon. We don't have a reservation, but we heard great things about this place and decided to give it a try.
Welcome to the Urban Bistro. We're delighted to have you. Let me check for available tables. We have a really good table outside. Please follow me.
Here are your menus. Can I start you off with some drinks? We have a variety of unique beverages.
Yes, that would be great. What do you recommend?
Our house red wine is quite popular.
We'll go with 2 glasses of the house red, please.
Excellent choice. I'll be right back with your drinks. Here you are. 2 glasses of house red wine. Have you had a chance to look at the menu?
Yes, but we are having a hard time deciding. Everything looks so interesting.
If you would like a recommendation, our bruschetta with fresh tomatoes and basil is today's special. It's been getting good reviews.
That sounds interesting. But I think we'll pass on that for now. Could we see the full menu again?
Absolutely. Take your time and let me know if you have any questions. Have you decided what you would like to order, or do you need more time?
We are ready. We would like to start with the cheese soup.
Excellent choice. I'll get that started for you right away. Is there anything else you would like to add?
No, just the appetizer for now. We might order something else later.
All right, I'll be back shortly with your appetizer. Here is your cheese soup. Is there anything else I can get for you at the moment?
No, this looks perfect. Thank you. This soup is fantastic. But I think we'll need a main dish afterward.
I agree. Waiter, could you come over, please?
Yes, how can I assist you?
We would like to order the margarita pizza and the Alfredo pasta.
Certainly. I will add those to your order. Would you like any additional sides or sauces?
No, thank you.
Sure, I'll be right back with your main dishes. Here you go, your margarita pizza and Alfredo pasta.
Thank you.
Is everything all right? Do you need anything?
No, thank you. Everything was perfect. Can we have the check, please?
Sure, I will be right back. Here you go. Your total is $150.
We will pay cash, and I have also left a tip for you.
Thank you very much. Have a great day, and we hope to see you again soon.
We will definitely be back. This is the best restaurant in the city.